Tell me all the things that you've sanded off the wall.
We've done Department of Housing. I don't think we're gonna put this on there.
What have you sanded off the wall?
Feces.
Oh, poo! What else? Snot.
Snot boogies.
Yeah, boogies.
Yep, people pick their nose and flicking it on the wall.
Food.
Boogies, food. Blood. I've got blood on floors. Yeah, lots of different things.
Oh my god, that's about.
Sorry. It's probably worse now.
What was that?
It's probably worse.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know what it was.
Really?
It's a weird spots though. You know what I was doing. I was like reading Department of Housing and I was like...
Which, like I said, then it's more congruent. It's what's the next step?
Pardon?
It's more congruent.
Spell that?
Don't. I do know how to spell it.
So we...
Do you?
We're just
No
cutting it
idea.
out. No, I've never heard the word in my life.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'm
Congruent
homeschooled.
top
If you like me, I
triangles.
could walk and talk.
We get no traction
You
basically.
get no traction.
Don't pull too hard.
Don't pull that in.
Are you alright? Are you alright, Reagan?
Yeah, no, it's just, right.
If you are measuring yourself, you're better off being a touch small
Yes.
than being big. Rule of
Okay.
thumb.
Don't ever overestimate.
Don't ever oversize something, you're better off being undersized and then block it out. Yep.
Oh,
You'll be cutting a few things out here.
Jacob's like, it's standard. Look at him. Whenever I say something that's true that he doesn't want to back up, he he just smiles and goes,
Is that the signal? Stop filming.
yeah.
This is the cut out there.
Look,
That's Jeep Rock.
my Jeep Rock shirt.
Yep. What about if...
That's not me moving, by the way.